Hello guys, today part 3 of the Lightning Road. We got 80%. I just realized that it's almost at 100 million downloads. Let's go. Yes! Bro, third attempt. Yes! Yo! Whew. Okay, that was a short episode. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's climb this quest. Yes! Okay. So, what's the new... I can't even... Wait. What is this? Yes. Yes. Wait, what? Is that it?